For the 15th year in a row, hundreds of less fortunate children will have much to celebrate this Christmas thanks to the Windber Police Department.
They call it Christmas for Kids. It's a project that expanded every year, bringing in more donations and help from the community. Maria Miller has been covering the event for the past few years now, and she joins us tonight with the details for this year. Maria?
Yeah, Marty and Jen, this is unarguably the department's favorite time of the year, especially for Police Chief Rick Skiles, who always spends a ton of time organizing the event and getting the word out to help the kids in his community that might not have it as good as their friends.
The people in our area are so generous. You know, there's so many programs out there at this time of the year to help needy people, and the gifts and the donations just keep coming in.
And that's something that was easy to see on Wednesday as officers and their helpers started unloading the toys and gifts they've already received. Bag after bag, box after box, taken into the community center to get them sorted and wrapped in time for the annual Christmas party that's 2 weeks away.
We still have a lot of work to do, but you know, the different organizations, church groups and so on that help us to wrap all these presents and get this program ready to go. It's just amazing the amount of help that we get.
Much like it's been the past 15 years, when the kids show up on December 17th, there will be games, storytelling, food, and fun for their entire family, taking away the scary persona police sometimes get and letting the kids know they're there to help and can be someone the kids feel comfortable talking to. Over the past 15 years, the department has been able to provide thousands of children and their families with gifts and money. This year, they're anticipating helping another 200 to 300.
We're helping people that sometimes are too, you know, they don't want to ask for the help. But, you know, it warms our heart to be able to give that to them and make their Christmas a little brighter.
Now, it's still not too late to donate. While the department has already gotten a great collection, they're still taking donations, including money, which lets them go out and buy specific items to finish each kid's list. To help, you can just drop off new unwrapped toys or cash at the Windber Police Department up until next Friday, December 12th. Reporting live, Maria Miller, 6 News.